Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is install WordPress in cPanel. So in this case my cPanel login link is this, and you will use yours, and just you need to write your username here, password here. So I'm using LastPass for a long time. That reason automatically they have filled up. Click on login, and recently they have updated cPanel user interface updated, and they added few features. This is one of them, and click on it. They have made it very easy for you, and I have already created subdomain. That's why I'm going to install my WordPress in subdomain. So in this case my subdomain name is okay. I'm going to open another tab. I'm just trying to show you what is my subdomain name is. Main domain and subdomains process are same. There is no difference. You just need to select your domain path. This is my original domain, raihanudincsy.com, and this is my subdomain. So we are going to take the help from Softaculous to install WordPress. This is Softaculous, most popular cPanel WordPress installation process. Click on install. Sorry, it will take a few moments. Within few seconds it will be yours. This is my subdomain. I have selected, and this one main is what can I say? Okay, I'm trying to show you everything. That's why I'm taking a little bit time. For I'm just trying to show you where we'll install this WordPress subdomain site. I have opened file manager, and scroll down. This is my this one is my subdomain location. So there is nothing. I don't need any of the files here. Just see, I'll show you everything. This WP means after this path they'll create another folder, which ones will be name WP. It can be anything, you can write anything. So we are not going to write this one. We are not trying to keep this one. We are deleting this one. We are trying to install WordPress this location, not another location or another step forward. We just need to install WordPress there. So this is our WordPress. You can choose any of these. If you don't have as a HTTPS support, so you can't install HTTPS with, so they will not give you the permission to install. So this is your WordPress version. You can select any of these from list and scroll down. This is your site name. Which one will be top of your site? Site name and site description. We are not going to edit any of this, because later we can change anything. So this is our admin. We're going to give the admin name is this is our domain maybe. Where is this? See, we are trying to make similar landing. Okay. this is our password field. We're going to generate a password. I'm using LastPass. They have given the opportunity to generate password. You can use this one, or there are a lot of generated option here. You can use generator. See, this is LastPass password generator, or this is another. I used to use this one. Now I'm not using this one. How many characters you wanna take password, and which option you need to select. This is a special um, characters field. If you can select this one, or you can take out this one, and if you generate this password, see, they have already given a password. Just you need to click copy and paste it in your field. So we are not going to use that one, so that reason we are going to use LastPass generator. See, I'm copied this one. This is password. This is not my email actually. You will put your email here. This is my email, and what can I say? This is your language. If you want to change your language, you can change. So what should you do? Yes, everything is fine. Now we can good to go. Just you need to click this one, and email should be this. Installation details they will send the installation details in your email. So I strongly recommend you need to collect your password and admin username. I'm telling you again, you need to collect admin user and admin password in a safe place, because whenever you going to log in your WordPress site, you need those information always. So you need to write down on a paper, or you can keep it in your PC or Mac, uh, somewhere in a text file, or in a safe place. So that was a warning. You can say that was warning. Click on install. See, already congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I'm going to password, keep it safe. So reload this one. See, this is location, file manager location, and reload this. See, there are a lot of files. Sorry, see, there was nothing, only 3 folder, 2 folder. There's a lot of files here now. So how to show your site? Click on it, command click. See, you have successfully installed a WordPress site. And this is your admin link. I'll suggest you to bookmark both of them, so next time when you want to visit or login, you just need to click on this link and visit this link. So that's it. So how to log in your WordPress site? Just click on it. I have mentioned you have to collect your information, login information, because if you logged out, they will ask you about your sorry, okay, where is this? Guard. Okay, confirm you're human. Okay, wait for a while. they will give you the option. So this is your login page, your site name /wp hyphen login.php, or you can write wp admin. Every day you will need to use it, that's why you need to bookmark this one. See, same page, there's no differences. You need to write your id, sorry, and forgot about it. This is your username and this is your password. You need write down username and password. Just click on login page, sorry, login button. They will bring back to you in a WordPress dashboard. There are a lot of things. That's it for today. In next video we will show you how to use all of the menu or option step by step. We'll make a playlist for all of the functions, how to use, and that's it. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, keep learning.